But then a woman to me. But then a woman to me. Gap is going to be maybe let's say 20 px. Space between row gap between I don't know. Let's try that. Okay, so that is that. Home about us home. And then contact us. A woman to me, more than a woman, more than a woman to me. So contact doesn't exist because we have to put it on our router config, and we have to create our contact. Yeah, I think we just create a contact here. Contact.tsx, and then remove this folder here, move that about so about here, so going to be contact here, and this one here, that is going to be contact. Right, so that should build. Alright, so let's go to config. So this is now going to be contact, and then this one is also contact, and then we're going to import that. Right, so refresh, we have contact, we have about, we have home. Right, so let's put some padding here. Padding is equal to 20 out of 10. Right, and then for our, so this is CSS. Damn, I want to have a SCSS. Okay, so app.scss. Okay, then we're going to the moon. Okay, so just copy this one and put this on CSS, and we're gonna watch CSS. We're going to build. Okay, so let's remove this and then remove this. Okay, so let's see if it's going to build us CSS. Give me some CSS, baby. All right, okay, we have some CSS there, and then A for the menu. A text decoration is none. Right, text decoration is none. Color is white. Right, and then yep, okay, color is white. More than a woman, but then a moment to me. Okay, so for the home, I don't want this on the app. I want to create a home page, or maybe dash or home.tsx. Right, and we are going to add a home tsx here. Home more than a woman. Right, so you got it there, and in our router config we're gonna use home here. Right, alright, cool. So alright, And okay, we remove that, remove this, and we are going to have this one here loaded. Alright, so it's there. Yeah, so this is what I don't like about React. It's so easy to change. You can just do everything. And this is good only if you're only building it on your own. So it's like you're not part of a team. But if you have a very big team and you don't have, like, if I'm a new developer, I will have to I will really have to study your code, because you might have some magic things going on in your code that I don't know what you're doing. Alright. More than a woman. It's already 12. Okay. So that's it. That's our React app. So we have a mission here. We want to make a common library where our React app and our Angular app is going to use. So let's go here. So see here we have an ng web here, and we haven't set this up yet, but yeah, this two will have like a common component that both of them can use. So that is what we're trying to do here. And how do we do that? Still a mystery for me right now. Okay, so layout. I'm going to create a layout. And then this is Angular. This is a React app, and we are now building an Angular app. Okay, so ng generate component. See how easy it is to make Primal. More than a woman. More than a woman, Jamie. Okay, ng generate module. Pages, then add routing. See, it's so easy to create React. Oh no, it's easy to create an Angular app. Why do people choose React compared to Angular? Why are you doing that to yourselves, guys? Just because you're so lazy to study the learning curve, if you say, in Angular, then that doesn't mean that you don't have to use, or you will try to escape it. So this is the best things ever happened to web development, Angular. Right, so ng generate component, pages, home, and then ng generate component, pages, about, and ng generate component, pages, contact. See, it's so easy. And if you're going to add the routes there, let's say component path, So that is going to be component, home component, and then for the path for about, okay, component about, and then for the contact, I'll put here component contact. Right, so set, and for our layout we're going to import here the router module, because our primal here is going to have the router outlet here, and then we are going to create module shared, and then for the shared, that is where we are going to put our menu. Okay, and then that menu, that shared module import, we're going to import it in our layout so that we can use our menu here. And the reason why it's having a red squiggly there is because we need to export our menu component. See, it's gone. It's cool now. And then we're going to add the thing there, home about, then contact, then we are going to add a router link, but okay, I think we also have to add a router module here so that we can have access to router link, and then there you go. That is for the home. This is for the about us. This is for the about, and this is for the contact. Okay, so where is it now? We are going to check the pages routing. Yep, we're using those guys, right? Yep. Okay, so we have our, where is our, yep, okay. So here we are going to yarn start our React, and then we are going to ng serve our Angular. So this is our React, and wait for our Angular to finish building. More than a woman. More than a woman to me. Okay, so we have it running now. Okay, so this is the running Angular app, and we have to import the layout module here, and then okay, so go to here, and we have to set our layout here, the primal layout. Okay, that's it. And in our menu, let's go here. So it's class menu here. Let's add a class there, and then new. See the class here in Angular, it's a class, but here you'll have to, what is this? Where is that piece of thing there? Where is it? Alright, type class name. Class name, yeah, see this one here. Why is it class name? It's like, what the hell is that? It should have just a class. That's an HTML thing, dude. Okay, but since we already created this here, I'll just copy that and put that here, and yep, see, we have it like that. And then the text decoration, why is it not following my text decoration? The li, that's because we're using li, and in our tsx here we're not using li. Okay, so let's just follow that. Alright, nothing a blind man. Alright, so cool. Yeah, remove this, our primal thing here, in the layout. Remove this piece of crap here, and then on our body, here, the body, we don't want to have margin is 0, padding is 0. Alright, and then for the font, what is it that you're using there? CSS, yep, we'll just use this one here, right? So that is the Angular copying codes from React, right there, see, can you tell the difference? This is the Angular and this is the React. Cool. Alright, and we want to have a common component where it can be used by React and Angular. How do we do that? Okay, but first, yep, it will have to create an HTML and design, and then maybe made it into a package. Then we will import that into our React and Angular. So stay tuned on how we are going to implement that, guys. But before that, you need to subscribe. I really need money. I don't have a job right now. I'm so poor. My wife is about to kick me out of the house. Just subscribe, man. Help me, right? Cool, thanks, bye.